First time that I came to Hair Club, I honestly was nervous and I didn't walk in for my first appointment. I bailed. Then I went home and I looked at myself in the mirror again and I said, get back there. So I booked my second one, I went in and I've never looked back. It was the best thing I've ever done, really. Yeah, hair loss really affected me right around the age of 25. I started noticing that I was losing it and confidence. That was the biggest thing for me. It was tough to look myself in the mirror sometimes. One of the biggest problems for me was going to social events because I couldn't wear a hat. And so not being able to wear a hat created a lot of anxiety for me. Then social events after going to Hair Club, I couldn't wait to go to events. I couldn't wait to show off my hair. It's like mayor hair, you know, I'm like ready to run for office. So now I actually look forward to dressing up and putting on a jacket before because hats wouldn't go with this. And so I was terrified of wearing the jackets and going out. Now I actually love it. My wife loves my new hair. When she walked in right after I had it done, she's like, oh my gosh, what a difference. And in fact, I think it kind of, planted something in her because she's like, okay, my husband, he's kind of got it together. He looks 15 years younger. And then I noticed my wife started doing things because it became a competition, a little bit of a race. So kind of like that. Without a doubt, one of the best things I've ever done is coming to Hair Club. It really did change my life. I was dreading getting older, and now I actually kind of look forward to it because I've got this new confidence, and I'm very excited that I am where I am, and I'm excited to have Hair Club with me for many years to come.